Hello everyone, this is me Sheikh Shamal from grade 12 of Manbakta Secondary Boarding School plus 2 School of Law, which is located in Simpani Pokhara. I am from Zorbar Lakeside. As instructed by our respected teachers, we were asked to explain on the topic from grade 11, and the topic that I have chosen for this is the definition of the constitution and the historical development of constitution in Nepal. Firstly, the word constitution is derived from the Latin term constituere, which means to establish or to form. It is the fundamental law of the country. It is the main law of the country that determines the powers and the duties of the government and guarantees certain rights to the people of the government. It is the set of rules and principles specifying how a country should be governed, what rights do citizens possess, and how the power is distributed and controlled. According to the Aristotle, the constitution is the way of life the state has chosen for itself. Moving towards the historical development of constitution in Nepal, the historical development of constitution in Nepal commenced since last 7 decades. There are 7 constitution of Nepal till now in Nepal. The first constitution of Nepal was the Nepal Government Act 2004 BS. It was the first constitution of Nepal in terms of the origin and the promulgation. It was promulgated on 2004 BS 13th of Mag by the Rana Prime Minister Padma Samser. It was proposed to be implemented from 1st Baisakh 2005 BS, but due to the resignation of Rana Prime Minister Padma Samser, it couldn't be implemented at that time. It had the provision of 10 fundamental rights. The second constitution of Nepal was the Interim Government Act of Nepal 2007 BS. It was the second constitution of Nepal in terms of the promulgation, whereas it was the first constitution of Nepal in terms of the implementation. It was promulgated on 2007 BS. In 2007 BS 29th of the Chaitra, it introduced the concept of the budget system. Likewise, the third constitution of Nepal was the Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2015 BS. It was the third constitution of Nepal in terms of the promulgation, whereas it was the second constitution of Nepal in terms of the implementation. It was promulgated on 2015 BS 1st of Falgun. It had the provision of 6 fundamental rights, and the next constitution was the Constitution of Nepal 2019 BS. It was the fourth constitution of Nepal in terms of the promulgation, whereas it was the third constitution of Nepal in terms of the implementation. It was promulgated on 2019 BS first of Pous. It had the provision of fundamental rights from Article 10 to 16. And the fifth constitution of Nepal was the Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047 years. It was the fifth constitution of Nepal in terms of the promulgation, whereas it was the fourth constitution of Nepal in terms of the implementation. It was promulgated on 2047 years 23rd of Kartik. It had the provision of fundamental rights from Article 11 to 23. And the sixth constitution of Nepal was the Interim Constitution of Nepal 2063 BS. It was the sixth constitution of Nepal in terms of the promulgation, whereas it was the fifth constitution of Nepal in terms of the implementation. It was promulgated on 2063 BS in 1st of Mag. It had the provision for the parliamentary hearing, and it repealed the Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047 BS. And last not but the least, the last constitution of Nepal was and is the Constitution of Nepal. It is the seventh constitution of Nepal in terms of the promulgation, whereas it is the sixth constitution of Nepal in terms of the implementation. It was promulgated on 2072 BS 3rd of Asurs. It had the provision of 13 constitutional organs, and it is the current constitution that is followed in Nepal. Thank you.